In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Doge future while examining Dogecoin cost gauge for 2023 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to believe this and some other expectation tentatively, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like Dogecoin. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Dogecoin value forecast and answer questions in the event that Doge is a wise venture or not. For what reason will Doge succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Dogecoin value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Doge and its to-date history. You can purchase and exchange Dogecoin on many trades, including the main stages like X.io, Coinbase, and Binance. Dogecoin value forecast. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its record-breaking high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is dim and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. 2023-0405 plus 0.63% $0 0756 2023 04 06 plus 7.66% $0 0809 2023 04 07 plus 2.65% $0 0771 2023 04 08 plus 9.38% $0 0822 2023 04 09 plus 6.88% $0 0803 2023 04 10 plus 0.15% $0 0752 2023 04 11 plus 5.64% $0 0794 2023 04 12 plus 0.21% $0 0753 2023 04 13 plus 0.66% $0 0756 2023 04 14 plus 7.39% $0 0807 2023 04 15 plus 7.36% 8 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 to 2023 APRA 2.00% $0 0736 2023 May 2.62% $0 0731 2023 June plus 7.07% $0 0804 2023 Joel plus 9.56% $0 0823 2023 Og plus 10.59% $0 0831 2023 Sep plus 10.14% $0 0827 2023 Oct plus 6.59% $0 0801 2023 Nov plus 12.19% $0 0843 2023 Dec plus 20.86% $0 0908 2024 Jan plus 17.98% $0 0886 2024 Feb plus 17.12% $0 0880 2024 Blemish plus 18.80% 8 cents. Doge value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees Doge coming to 11 cents in 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Dogecoin coming to $0.9 in 2030. What Dogecoin will be worth in 2040. Our anticipating model sees Dogecoin coming to $2 in 2040. Will Dogecoin supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Dogecoin won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $1? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $1 in the short or midterm period. Could Dogecoin at any point reach $10? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $10 in the short or midterm period. Might Dogecoin at any point reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for Dogecoin to reach $100 in the short or midterm period. How high will Dogecoin go? Our gauging model sees Dogecoin cost crashing and dropping to approach zero in a separated future. Is Dogecoin worth purchasing? We don't see a brilliant future for Dogecoin. It merits purchasing just as a transient theory with a decent leave system. Dogecoin is certainly not a decent long-haul hold. Is Dogecoin a wise venture? Dogecoin is certainly not a wise interest as we would like to think. Why? Indeed, it faces a wild rivalry from other comparative crypto projects, doesn't stand apart with its innovation and development, doesn't have a certifiable local area, and the group behind the venture is problematic. Might Dogecoin at any point make you a mogul? No, Dogecoin might not cause you a mogul as we at any point don't see it doing a 10x cost increment any time from now on. What amount will Dogecoin be worth? For the momentary future, it could reach 7 cents. In the long haul, it will doubtlessly drop to zero or somewhere around there. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed and get more expensive? Dogecoin has a remote possibility of succeeding. It has no first-mover advantage, it brings no interesting incentive, it has a feeble group and little local area behind it. All of this summarized forestalls Dogecoin to succeed in ascending cost as long as possible. Dogecoin projections long haul. Most of tasks will fall flat. A few new companies are made just to assemble reserves and vanish. Some wouldn't deal with the opposition, however most are simply thoughts that look great on paper, yet truly are futile for the market. Therefore, more than 95% of fruitful ICOs and digital currency activities will fall flat and their financial backers will lose cash. The other 5% of tasks will turn into the new Apple, Google, or Alibaba in the crypto industry. Will Doge be among those 5%? Assuming we tell the truth, there isn't a lot happening for Doge to the side of this inviting and impassioned local area. It is outlandish to anticipate a drawn-out Dogecoin endurance on the off chance that that is the main pivot for the venture. Dogecoin is gradually dipping under the market cap positions it was in 2017, with not a single specific premium and certifiable use cases to be found, aside of irregular utility and cause tipping. In any case, Dogecoin People Group is dependably a decent spot for a decent snicker. It is an image realm of cryptographic money world. For what reason will Dogecoin succeed? Purposes behind Dogecoin to go up in ascending cost are scant. It is as yet one of the most loved messes around. Even Elon Musk joins the fun at times, yet we basically don't see the reason for Doge long-haul achievement. Its utilization case is as of now taken up by Bitcoin and other more serious tasks. Dogecoin could hibernate its way into the future as a nostalgic worth that early adopters continue treasuring and utilizing for image and joke purposes. For what reason will Dogecoin come up short? The greatest danger to Dogecoin is quite possibly of their greatest benefit, their utilization case. This is a joke coin, never intended to remain alive this long, nor to arrive at the